magnificent galactic spirit. I just want to show you how I use the galactic magnetic fridge magnets. I put them on a magnetic board that I think I bought at the dollar store, and I leave it in my office, just hang it on a nail. So every day I can work with the light codes of these magnificent energies to really anchor them in my consciousness and raise my vibrational frequency. And I love that we've handcrafted a bag that the 20 magnets fit in, and there's education on both sides to make it super easy for you to use and follow. On one side is the Galactic Mayan DNA map with the 20 quantum energies and their 260 nuances, with a little code down there on the special days. On the other side is your 13-day Ascension map, where you can follow along with the energies as you spiral up each of your birthrights. All 20 magnets come in the bag. There they are. Zip it up. You can stash other things in there too. And I know working with the magnets is a super simple way to learn the energies, learn how they're influencing you, and how continually they're going to increase your vibrational frequency. And I know you're going to love them as much as I love sharing them with you.